Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you is some cleaning motivation. This was basically the day after Thanksgiving and this room was complete chaos. So I'm going to deep clean this and get it ready for the holidays. Basically, I start off by just removing all the sheets in the bed. I like to take them out and toss them in the washer just so it could wash while I am cleaning the room. And I like to pick up only Janelle's clothes and toss them in her dirty hamper. Then I like to go around the room and pick up the things that belong to Janelle. Pretty much I have a little caddy where I carry all her random things that I have in the room, like lotions, perfumes, any type of medicine, things like that. And throughout the day, or actually throughout the week, it just goes around all over the room. So I just go ahead and take it back to its place. Step is to get everything that does not belong in the room, that belongs in the kitchen, like cups and empty bottles and water bottles, everything that was there from either the night before or the morning of. Next, I grab my dirty hamper and I start getting all the clothes that are all over the room just so I can go ahead and wash those too. This is just a bag that I have here for Goodwill, so I'm actually going to take it out of the room so I can actually go to Goodwill and drop it off. I'm going to focus on Janelle's side of the room now. The night before, Janelle and her cousin started taking out all of her shoes and randomly started trying them on. So throughout the video, you're going to see that there are shoes everywhere. This is not on a normal basis. This is just the situation that happened the night before. Now I'm going to start wiping down all the furniture. I actually thought I showed a clip of what I like to use, but I guess I skipped it. I really like the product from Febreze. This is a multi-surface cleaner and I love the way it smells. It smells so nice and fresh. Usually these products come like in a lemony scent and I hate those, but this does not. It smells really, really good. Wondering, yes, Janelle's things are all in my room. We are actually living with my parents now and we're in the process of moving possibly next month. So yeah, that's why Janelle's things are all in my room. Eventually she'll have her room and her stuff will be in a separate place. Even though we co-sleep anyway, at least her things will have a place to be. Then I move along to the bathroom. I pretty much repeat the same exact steps, you know, throwing away, organizing, and tossing in the dirty hamper. I had a necklace tangled up in there. Then I move along to sweeping and vacuuming the floor. The best $20 investment I have ever made. I got it at Walmart. I don't remember the name of it, but it's like a 2-in-1. It vacuums the floor, but then it becomes a little hand thing. And this is when I like to start vacuuming my mattress. I don't know, am I the only one that does this? I just like to make sure that any crumbs or anything are picked up. If I can find it, I'll definitely link it down below. I know they still have it in stock because I see it in Walmart all the time, and it's only 20 bucks. The downside is it's not wireless, but whatever, it's 20 bucks. This is my favorite room spray. It's a stress relief from Bath & Body Works, and I just spray it all over the mattress before I put the sheets back on. Wait for the sheets, I like to have my oil diffuser run. I use the eucalyptus oil as well. And this diffuser, I found it at Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. It was really cheap. So once the room is clean and the sheets are back up, I still like to lit up my candle. The one that I chose for this holiday season is the flannel from Bath & Body Works. To add a minimal touch of Christmas, I chose to put this plaid throw-on blanket that actually matches with my flannel candle. And then I bought this Season's Greetings pillow from Target. This is from Fixer Upper. I forget the collection, but this is from them. So that is it for today's video. I hope I brought you some motivation to deep clean and organize your room. Please give me a thumbs up if you actually like these type of videos. It actually helps me out a lot. If you are new, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and that way I can see you on my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Sleepy baby. Are you gonna mess up the room? No?